Hi guys, in today's video I will show you how to create the object outline glow effect that we often see on Instagram. I have received many requests for this tutorial, so let's get started. By the way, if you want these exact shakes, just a reminder that AM Film Shake preset pack is linked in the description. It's the easiest way to make your edits look expensive with a quick drag and drop. First duplicate your video layer, then decide where you want the glow effect to appear. It can be at any point in the clip, depending on your preference. In this example, I will create 3 glow effects, all placed at the beginning of the video. At your chosen point, move 20 frames forward by holding Shift and pressing page down twice. Then split the layer into 2 parts. As mentioned, you can scroll to any point where you want the second glow outline and split the layer there as well, but in this example, I will keep everything at the beginning. I will move another 20 frames forward and split the layer again. In total, I will have multiple sections for the glow outlines. Once you have enough cuts, delete the remaining part of the layer. These 3 layers will be used for the glow outline effect. Let's start with the first one. All we need to do is mask the part of the video where we want the glow to appear. You can use the Roto Brush tool or Mocha AE for more accurate results. In Mocha, I will select the pen tool and mask the roof, since I want the glow effect there. The edges of the roof are sharp, so I will adjust the mask to match those sharp edges for a cleaner result. Once that's done, enable perspective and click the track forward button. After the tracking is complete, click Save and close Mocha AE. Now expand Matte and click Create AE Masks. The mask is now applied, and we can add a glow to that area. I will use the Deep Glow plugin, but if you don't have it, the built-in glow effect will work as well. At the beginning of the layer, set the glow exposure to 0 and click the stopwatch to create a keyframe. Move forward 10 frames and increase the exposure. I will set it to 1. Then go to the end of the layer and set the exposure back to 0. Press U on your keyboard to reveal all keyframes. Select them and press F9 to apply Easy Ease. The glow animation is now complete. Let me quickly preview the result. Now repeat the same process for the other layers. Mask different parts of the video and apply the glow effect just like we did for the first layer. I will skip these steps since you already know how to do it. Let's check the final result, and we are done. Hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed it, please give it a like.